This concept home on a 33 by 33 feet footprint achieves a strong architectural presence through a split-level design, combining rough-hewn dark basalt stone at the base with smooth white render above. Full-height black frame glazing across the upper level dissolves the boundary between interior and the lush garden, while recessed LED lighting along the roof soffit and timber-edged entry steps add warmth and depth to the dusk elevation. The interiors are unified by a consistent tropical colonial material palette, dark walnut and teak joinery, woven rattan cabinet panels, travertine and terrazzo surfaces. Threaded through every room from the statement kitchen with its green marble island and Moroccan patterned tile splashback, to the well-lit backlit pantry, 2 upper-level bedrooms, and the ground floor's Zen meditation studio. Brass hardware, bonsai, singing bowls, and curated botanical artworks layer cultural depth and warmth into each space, without overwhelming the calm, earthy tone that runs consistently throughout the home. House 2. Rooted in the philosophy of modern Asian Zen, this 33 by 63 feet concept home reimagines how architecture can slow you down the moment you arrive. A steeply pitched terracotta roof and hand-laid river pebble stone walls speak to a timeless Asian vernacular, while a lotus pond wrapping the entrance transforms the approach into a mindful journey rather than a mere threshold. Floor-to-ceiling, timber-framed glazing bridges the interior with the surrounding tropical garden, ensuring that nature is never a backdrop. It is always part of the composition. Step inside, and the same Zen intention carries through every surface and space. Dark walnut joinery, shoji-inspired sliding panels, travertine floors, and riverstone accents create a material language that is warm, grounded, and deeply considered. From the soaring double-height living room with its exposed timber ceiling, to the sunken indoor lotus pond tucked beside the reading nook, each space is designed around stillness and sensory calm. Bonsai, Buddha sculptures, paper lanterns, and platform beds complete a home where decorative choices are never arbitrary. They are quiet expressions of a life lived with intention,